It's happening all over the world. Each day, more and more people are waking up to the fact that digital currency will soon be the money of the future. When you think of digital currency, you probably think of Bitcoin. That's because Bitcoin is the biggest and most widely supported of all digital currencies. However, the truth is, Bitcoin is just one of several hundred digital currencies that exist. Each coin is built around the same core principles of providing a decentralized and consensus-based system that nobody can control. Everything is fully transparent and peer-to-peer, so nobody is sitting in the middle taking large fees or controlling the transactions. Exactly the way money was intended to be. For this technology to work, there are two methods that can be used: proof of work or proof of stake. Bitcoin uses the proof of work protocol, which requires miners like us to secure the network by performing some type of work, which in this case, the proof of work is hashing a set of numbers until a correct answer is received. In order to get the correct answer, it takes millions of hashes or guesses, so it's easy to verify work has been done. For doing this work, miners are rewarded with the newly issued blocks of Bitcoin. The other method is called proof of stake. This offers the same consensus and security as the proof of work protocol. But with proof of stake, the resource or work being compared is the amount of existing coins that are being held in your wallet. This is called staking. So, for example, if someone is holding 1% of the coins, they can mine 1% of the newly issued proof of stake blocks. In other words, if you are staking a large amount of coins, it's just like having a lot of mining power, and your coins will provide a vote that will secure and validate the network for all future transactions. And the more coins you hold, the more coins you are issued. Okay, so let's get to the point. BitClub Network is excited to announce the launch of ClubCoin, a new proof-of-stake coin being launched exclusively to BitClub Network members first. And the best part? We are giving this coin away free. Here's how it works. For every $1 you spend with BitClub Network, you will automatically receive one ClubCoin. So if you are founder and you paid $3,599, then you will receive 3,599 Club Coins free. Club Coin is just like any other cryptocurrency using the proof of stake method. You will have a wallet and you can exchange or trade the coin based on the real market value. Initially, BitClub Network will be the only place to spend Club Coin. But we anticipate the market growing nicely as our membership base expands and the coin makes it into the public market. Why launch Club Coin? Great question. Because we have the network to support it and grow it. Thanks to you and our unique revenue sharing model, we believe we can compete against some of the largest and most widely adopted coins in the market, including Bitcoin. You see, the problem with launching a coin is the adoption of it. If nobody uses it or sees any value, then it will die. With a membership base of thousands and growing fast, we believe we are all positioned perfectly to launch and adopt a coin. Here is the plan for ClubCoin. There will be a total of about 160 million Club Coins issued over time. 80 million coins will be issued on the first block, and out of these 80 million, 40 million coins will be given away to BitClub members for free. Another 15 million will be available for purchase at a special pre-mine rate. And the remaining 25 million will be used to protect the network and will be distributed to key staking partners to ensure the security and longevity of the coin. After launch, another 80 million coins will be issued over time to all members who are staking the coins. Every 5 minutes, a new block of 200 Club Coins will be issued for a total of 57,600 new coins per day. How much is Club Coin worth? You're going to love this part. When the coin is launched, BitClub Network will have buy orders on all the exchanges where Club Coin is exchanged for Bitcoin and or cash for 5 cents for a minimum of the first 6 months after launch, which means the value of one Club Coin will be worth a minimum of 5 cents and can be easily exchanged through our platform or another one. Our goal will be to expand and grow the Club Coin ecosystem during these 6 months so it's being adopted outside of BitClub Network. After these 6 months, the coin will be valued at whatever price the market dictates. Special pre-mine limited offer. As a BitClub member, you have the option to purchase more Club Coins for a discount of 3.5 cents per coin. Each member can purchase a maximum of 250,000 Club Coins, and there will only be a total of 15 million coins sold before this offer expires. Remember, the more coins you hold and stake in your wallet, the more coins you will be issued every 5 minutes. This is a special offer to increase your stake in and become an early adopter of ClubCoin before it goes live. Don't miss your window to own a piece of ClubCoin.